doing Gambas al Ajillo. So you start by putting the oil first. Don't put too much. And the next thing is you put the garlic, which should be sliced into small pieces. A little bit more oil. You also need to put a little bit of salt so that the oil takes its flavors. This is thick sea salt.
Αυτό λέω, δεν το βρες κατευθείαν εκεί, κυρά μου, να τελειώνει. Έχει ένα μοναστικό. Εσύ ωραία είναι, αλλά σου λέω, καιρός δεν ξέρω. Εγώ δεν ξέρω γιατί λέει, ψαρμαλάκι, δεν είσαι μια σιγάρα.
Μπορείς. Σταμάτα αυτό.
Μέχρι τις 7.
So once the garlic is taking a little bit of color and takes a little bit of flavor, I've added a few chilies. In the meantime, you add the shrimps. Κόβεις. And the garlic and the olive oil in a clay receiver, and I've added some parsley on top, fresh parsley which I just added on the top, and this is basically Gambas al Ajillo. We are going to see what it tastes like soon.